Today on Lone Star Grills, we're putting El Patron to work for a delicious snack. These bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers are perfect for game day, party day, or any day, and we'll share a couple tricks to help you get the best results. For our filling, we'll start with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. To that, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of our south of the border, or you can use your favorite BBQ Rub. Next, about 8 ounces of your favorite shredded cheese. We're going with a mixture of white and yellow cheddar today. Get that all combined and set it aside. For this recipe, be sure to use jalapenos that have a good fresh feel, straight shape, and are large enough to hold a good amount of filling. We're going to cut these using the boat method today. We didn't invent this cut, but it's a great way to keep all that cheese inside the pepper during the cook. Use a good sharp knife, start at the top, make a slight turn, and cut all the way down to the bottom of the pepper. We've got a little kitchen tool here called the tomato shark, which works really well to gut these peppers, but you can use anything you like. Then stuff these all the way with cream cheese, put the pepper back together, wrap with bacon, and you can optionally secure that with a toothpick. This will make for a little better presentation. Our cream cheese recipe is good for about 12 to 15 jalapenos. The last step in prep work is to hit these up with a generous coating of our south of the border rub. Give them a good coating all the way around. And just like that, the prep work is all done. Our El Patron, also known as the Boss, is our most versatile grill and smoker that we make. It can do just about anything. Head over to our website to get all the details. Today we have it set up for indirect cooking with our deflector plates in place, and our target temperatures are 275 to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. We've got a medium-sized fire going in the fire basket with a mixture of oak and hickory. Once you get your vents and temperatures dialed in, get those jalapeno poppers on the grates. Pro tip, transporting these on and off the grill with a warming rack will save you a lot of time and trouble. Now just close that lid and let them go for about 60 to 90 minutes or until those peppers and bacon are done just the way you like. With even cooking temperatures from side to side, there's no need to turn, flip, or do anything but wait. So once these are done how you like them, let them rest on the counter for just about 10 to 15 minutes, then serve and enjoy. We'd like to thank you for watching today's video. Please leave us a comment, let us know what you'd like to see next, hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to check and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you've got questions on any of our products at any time, give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.